Oh shoot, it's a European plug.
Damn! This one was Ukrainian.
Foil the king! Golf player, superhero that I am!
Damn you with your dildo, Forrest! Susie! Oh my god, you know what God would say if he heard you say that. He'd say, lick my eyebrow. Swear words make baby Jesus play with his eyebrows. Sex is like a xylophone because you do both of them in the back seat of band. Sex is like a watch because you can set it to go off.